I'm just gonna talk over the beginning so you don't try to loop this shit and fucking take it like it's your own shit. Check it. When you gonna learn that you ain't gonna ever be like me, be like me. I'ma stay true to the roots where I grew. Worry less about me and more about you. Yeah, I'ma be that guy that women wish they had and dudes wanna rock with if there's profit involved. I talk proper till the topic resolved. I used to sling mixtapes to get my name out in hallways in class. They would always talk shit, but now they all on my ass. I drink lick out the glass cause I'm meant to be here. Always confident, there's nothing that I mentally fear except giving into new trends. Never look for new friends cause I don't wanna ride with some loose ends. I'm barely paying rent but it don't matter. They tell me bring a plate but I'ma show up with the platter. Here's the ladder to success, better grab it before it's too late. I'ma be a multi-million-dollar man while you hate. Don't ask who's great, I'm in your vicinity. Drive is infinity, haven't felt this ball since I lost my virginity. That's the realest comparison. The way these heartless rappers sounded today, embarrassing, yeah. When you're gonna learn that you ain't gonna ever be like me, be like me. I'ma stay true to the roots where I grew. Worry less about me and more about you. When you're gonna learn that you ain't gonna ever be like me, be like me. I'ma stay true to the roots where I grew. Worry less about me and more about you. See, I'm a man of spirituality. Way too many find their worth in a salary. This is planet Earth. All you do is work the fatality. There's no second chance. So why the hell you settle for less? I met up with stress, but all they did was tell me that I'll never be best. So fuck them. I show them I'll be ranked in every bracket in my bomber jacket. I seek a goal and I attack it. Where's my packet of notes? I slay quotes like I'm Aristotle. I'm coming through, so prepare to bottle. You need to know that the way that you grow is through persistence. So many try to stop me cause they know I'll go the distance. I don't fall for that crossover. Too many forced to cope like a lost soldier. All you need is hope when your boss scolds you, cause they just wanna bring it to their level of lousiness. Falling from drowsiness when I hit the stage, I'm the rowdiest in the building. I stay true to what I'm skilled in. Try to put me down and take me out, but I'll still win. When you gonna learn that you ain't gonna ever be like me, be like me. I'ma stay true to the roots where I grew. Worry less about me and more about you. When you're gonna learn that you ain't gonna ever be like me, be like me. I'ma stay true to the roots where I grew. Worry less about me and more about you. Yeah, the 17-year-old version of me would've tried to loop this shit at the end where there's no talking, and then I would've put on my SoundCloud claiming that this beat was fucking my own creation. So before you try to do that whack shit, just remember I fucking am talking over the end so nobody can do that shit. Nah, not happening here, sorry. You're running high cause you're afraid to live with the mind that lies inside your inner conscience. Or this medicated nonsense that go wear out all your circuitry. You wanna live for eternity, then throw 100,000 to this private university. I'd rather chug some mercury after I wake from surgery. Face wrapped in a cast from attackers, a bastard verbally. Laugh on my own absurdity, but keep a straight face like Ron Burgundy. There's certainty that one day I'll take a private jet to Los Angeles with some friends with money gamblers, women who dress in scandalous, 80 pounds of the cannabis. Wait and smoke it down till I find myself getting strapped to the backseat of an ambulance. You catch me on the highway smoking Cuban cigars. When I play a show I break the drums and ruin guitars. If the shit wasn't ours, I just cut a check for 20 cash. And if they say that's not enough, I tell them they can kiss my ass. I go to parties just to stand in the corner, then clap your boyfriend with the left like a young Kurt Warner. While on the telephone with dominoes, I'm placing my order, then tell the crowd of people vominos. Me and my friends phenomenal. I walk around the city streets while playing the recorder in the face of taller people, cause I'm jealous that I'm shorter. There's no purpose in my action, but it's fun to make the stories while I'm lapping you in all the categories. I be moving with my head down, till the check come through. Or that tough talking nonsense from your conscience, but it don't come true. So don't play me like a fool, cause I'm not one. I don't ever want to hear another word from your mouth, or you feel real cool, ride a shotgun. You must feel real cool, ride a shotgun. Say goodbye to innocence. I've been involved, new fingerprints. I'll paint a photo through synthesis. Time really showed me I'm in for this. The day's demanding, my head is scrambling. I'm always rambling, no time for breaks. There's no mistakes, just different perspective. I'm here to show you that whatever it takes is easily done. People be lacking in decency, telling me I ain't the one. Where's the fun? Nobody wanna enjoy the journey, but there's never a finish line. Do what you wanna do, long as it's in your mind. I am a human, but fuck what the world to find. I will be one of the greatest to do it. I'm fluent and student, nobody else you can find. Whoa! Middle fingers in the air, cause it's offensive. I don't eat when food's expensive. People get so damn defensive, even if it's not their business. They just fill up with the sickness. Are you just so unambitious that you buying so extensive to reactions as the internet will throw in your face? How about you go outside and stand in one place? Cause that is all you doing, wasting time crying over issues you're complacent. Mine can't mature at 16, but bitch, you're turning 29. I spit mean. Remember playing duty on a split screen 360 controller, situation busy, but in time I got older and learned that if these little kids dream, you'll be a high roller spending big green. Fill your pockets, I run up on you quick and dislocate your shoulder sockets. Blow your car and house up by shooting shit with bottle rockets. Driving with the roof down, I'm cruising with a model topless, plotting on the shit I will accomplish. I be moving with my head down till the check come through. Or that tough talking nonsense from your conscience, but it don't come true. So don't play me like a fool, cause I'm not one. I don't ever wanna hear another word from your mouth, or you feel real cool riding shotgun. You must feel real cool riding shotgun.
Said you're mistaken if you're thinking that I haven't been called cold before. As you bit into your strawberry lace, then offered me your attention in the form of a gobstopper. It's all you had left and it was going to waste. Your pastimes consisted of the strange and twisted and deranged, and I loved that little game you had called Crying Lightning, and how you like to aggravate the ice cream man on rainy afternoons. The next time that I caught my own reflection, it was on its way to meet you, thinking of excuses to postpone. You never looked like yourself from the side, but your profile could not hide the fact you knew I was approaching your throne. With folded arms you occupied the bench like toothache, stood and puffed your chest out like you'd never lost a war. I know I tried so not to suffer the indignity of reaction. There was no cracks to grasp or gaps to claw, and your pastimes consisted of the strange and twisted and deranged, and I hate that little game you had called Crying Lightning, and how you like to aggravate the icky man on rainy afternoons. Uninvited, but not half as impossible as everyone assumes you are. Crying Lightning. Your pastimes consisted of the strange and twisted and deranged, and I ate that little game you had called Crying Lightning. Crying Lightning. Crying Lightning. Crying Lightning.
took the wrong way, oh no. I should've known that, baby, oh no. Yeah, I've been driving all night, oh no. Oh, I just missed my fucking Snow White. Oh, no, yeah. Tonight we gonna let it go. Tonight we gonna take it on the floor. Oh, no, yeah. Tonight we gonna break the walls. Tonight we gonna say, baby, if you fucking want it, you never fucking own it. Oh, I'm not playing any games tonight. So if you fucking want me, don't fucking leave me and let me go alone tonight. Go alone tonight. If you fucking want it, you never fucking own it. Oh, I'm not playing any games tonight. So if you fucking want me, don't fucking leave me and let me go alone tonight. Go alone tonight. Oh no, my girl is gone by now. Oh no, I should've known that, baby, come home and stay for one more night. Don't go, oh let me see your fucking moonlight. Oh, no, yeah. Tonight we gonna let it go. Tonight we gonna take it on the floor. Oh, no, yeah. Tonight we gonna break the walls. Tonight we gonna say, baby, if you fucking want it, you never fucking own it. Oh, I'm not playing any games tonight. So if you fucking want me, don't fucking leave me and let me go alone tonight. Go alone tonight. If you fucking want it, you never fucking own it. Oh, I'm not playing any games tonight. So if you fucking want me, don't fucking leave me and let me go alone tonight. Go alone tonight.
Traveled over dry earth and floods, hell and high water to bring you my love. Climbed over mountains, traveled